Hello, we're going to be doing a simple song. I don't even think it will be up to 5 minutes. Maverick City in the Room, the Afrobeat version. And the, um, okay, let me see. It goes like this.
I'm not forsaken, ever alone.
That
The
song.
God of
All right, so um, it has four chords like this. Then this one, and then the last one. That's the whole song. So it is in the key of B, and then there's a chord 4. Just play this way. You can play this on your right, this on your left. So you play this power chord, and then you play that's your chord 4. Then you maintain the 4, and then you play a 6 on the A, and then A flat and E flat on your left. Then you play a 1 this way, the power chord, your thumb index, middle, and then your pinky. I think it's going to be one of the short videos. Five. All right. See you in the next tutorial.